In today's video, I'll teach you how to chat with friends on Roblox mobile. First of all, launch open Roblox mobile application. You can see over here Roblox has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So if you want to chat with your friends, it is actually very simple. Simply look at bottom. You'll be able to find the options like home, charts, avatar, party and more. Tap on this option party that you can see on your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to start chatting. You'll be able to see all of your chats over here. If you haven't unlocked your chat, make sure to unlock the chat by providing the verified ID. After you do that, you'll be able to chat with people. You'll be able to see various profiles over here. If you do not see the friend that you want to chat with over here, you can tap on the plus icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to create the new groups if you want. If not, simply tap on the friend with whom you want to chat. Once you do that, that particular chat will be opened. So what you have to do is tap on the message bar that you can see at bottom. Now you'll be able to enter your message over here. You can also start a party if you want. For that, tap on the plus icon that you can see on the screen. Otherwise, simply tap on the send icon that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your message has been sent. So like this, you'll be able to chat with friends. So that is how you chat with friends on Roblox mobile. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.